Alright guys, so this video is going to help you tonight with your homework. At the end of the video I am going to post the answers to your homework so that you can check and see if you got them all correct. And if you missed any, go back, look over your work, and find your error. We'll talk about it in class tomorrow. Also, do not forget that you have a test on multiplying decimals using the standard algorithm. Excuse me, not a test, a quiz tomorrow. So make sure you're studying that. Alright. So remember, when we're multiplying decimals, it's very similar to multiplying whole numbers. So let's look at problem number 12 on your homework. So let's do 63 and 2/10 times 6 and 3/10. Okay? Now, remember, when we're multiplying decimals, we don't have to line up the decimal. We line up the numbers. And it just so happened in this problem that our decimals lined up as well. But if they don't, that's okay. What we have to see is that the numbers line up. All right, now we pretend like those decimals aren't even there, and we're going to multiply this just like we would any other number. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. 0 and cross out. There's nothing to cross out. Moving on. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 is 37. We add up those numbers just like we do in every other multiplication problem. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18. 7, 8, 9, and my 3. Now, the hardest part when multiplying decimals is knowing where to put the decimal in our answer. To figure that out, we go back up to the numbers we multiplied, to our factors. We look at how many places are there behind the decimal. There's one place here, and there's one place here, for a total of 2 places. So this is how many places we have to go in our answer. So starting on the right, we jump 1, 2, and that's where the decimal goes. So the answer to 63 and 2/10 times 6 and 3/10 is 398 and 16/100. That's the answer to our problem. This is how we multiply decimals using the standard algorithm. If you already know how to use the standard algorithm, which we do, then the hardest part is going to be right here. So don't forget to count your decimal or your places after the decimal. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put up the answers to your homework for you to check. And if you need more time to look over this, you can pause the video until you've checked all of your answers. All right. So again, if you need more time, just pause the video right here. Okay, I hope you are also taking advantage of the extra credit homework that I sent home. Remember, it's not hard. You're just placing that decimal where it belongs in the answer. Study hard for your math quiz tomorrow, and I will see you all bright and early. Have a good rest of the day. Oh, and also, don't forget, your error analysis is due tomorrow, and extra math is due tomorrow. All right, see you guys.